Solve 15a squared minus 3a equals 3 minus 7a. Well, in order to solve this type of quadratic, we need to move everything to one side of the equal sign and set it equal to 0. Then factor. So, let's add 7a to both sides. Add 7a to both sides. Let's scooch all this stuff over here. 15a squared minus, plus 4a is now equal to 3. Let's subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3, cross u out. That gets me 15a squared plus 4a minus 3 equals 0. Now this is one of those frustrating factoring combination type problems where what we really need to do is list out all of our possible options that we can get and try to come up with some type of combination that allows us to factor and turn that into 15a squared plus 4a minus 3. Then we're not even done yet. But I know that if I multiply like 1 to 15 or 3 to 5, that'll get me 15. The negative 3 is kind of the more pain in the butt, where I could have negative 3 times 1, or 3 times negative 1, or negative 1 times 3, or 1 times negative 3. Those are our options, right? And so I need to come up with a combination that gives me something that looks like this. And sometimes it's trial and error, and even now I'm trying to look at this and talk it through in my head and see if I can figure it out on the fly. And as you can see, I am kind of struggling, but maybe it's u. Where if I were to take, maybe not u, because I can't pull the 3 out, so maybe it's u that should work. No, it would be, well, hold on, let's try this. Let's try the 3a and the 5a. If I multiplied 3 to negative 1, that gets me negative 1, and that's 15. So this one won't do it. That's not the combination that I want. So the combination that I want is probably going to be that one. 3 times 3 on the outside is going to get me 9. 5 times negative 1 on the inside is going to get me 4. So this is the guy that I want. So this is the combination that I want, this one right here. So that's a 3a and a 5 minus 1 right here and plus 3 right here. So the tricky part is coming up with a combination that allows you to factor all this out and get you exactly what you want. That's the tricky part. This part's not so bad because now I use zero product property, which states that if you have something times something equals 0, you set each something equal to 0. So 3a minus 1 equals 0, 5a plus 3 equals 0. And then you solve each for a. Okay, add 1, 3a equals 1, divide by 3, a equals 1/3. So that's option number 1. Minus 3, cross u out, 5a equals negative 3, divide by 5, cross u out, a equals negative 3 over 5. So my two possible answers are a equals 1/3 and negative 3/5. And there you have it.